Hey there, I'm reviewing the Utopia Kitchen 2-pack bib apron, a wonderful addition to any kitchen and cooking space. This set includes 2 aprons that are fully adjustable to fit both women and men comfortably. The design features 2 convenient pockets that are ideal for holding utensils, recipes, or even a smartphone while you work. The aprons are water and oil resistant, which ensures that spills and splashes do not ruin your clothes. The bib style provides extra coverage and protection from stains, making them a reliable choice for busy chefs or home cooks. Constructed with durability in mind, these aprons are easy to clean and maintain. Their simple yet stylish design makes them a perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook. Highly recommend this set for its practicality, comfort, and quality.